how to rank keyword relevancy faster. So we have been through this chapter. There's a lot of information that we have shared, how to make it, how to look for keywords, how to make it rank faster. Well, the best way to rank it faster is by targeting through PPC. And you want to take it, like I mentioned in the previous lectures, you want to expand that keyword as much as possible. The more you're going to expand that keyword, like in a broad match, 5 different ways I mentioned, phrase match, 5 different ways, exact match, 5 different ways, as much as you're going to expand. So when you do such campaigns and you get profitable results, take that keyword, go under the same ad group and extract it. The more you're going to extract a keyword phrase, the faster it's going to convert. Now, here's a tip for you. If you want to convert a keyword faster, like when I say fast, you want to make sure that you're hitting low search volume keywords. You never go after high search volume keywords, because with high search volume keywords, you are just going to waste money on PPC. So you want to do the whole outcome in a different manner. You want to do it the reverse way, and that is to go after the low search volume keywords. When you go after low search volume keywords, so like, for example, this is the high search volume keywords. Let's look at some of the examples before I explain to you. Now, searching for cutting boards, which is the main keyword for this product, you got 6,000 results. Okay, so now if you're going to take this a step further, then you're going to see that, it is really, really, really out there. Now, anytime there's a high search volume keyword, the results are going to come very high. But if you go after a low search volume keyword, the results are somewhat relatively high. There's hardly any competition, but there is, there's action because nobody's targeting for it. Forget the dashes. These are like still converting, so we don't want to hit them. You want to hit at least search volume between 1 to 100. Let me go here. Search volume 1 to, let's say, 100, for example. And so this one is at 12. Wood cutting boards with juice groove. Okay, it's a different product and it's expanding. Let's look at what it's showing us. So the more the extracted keywords, the less results you're gonna get. Okay, if you want to take this a step further and see what the results are, you just go backspace and let Amazon get you the information. Okay, see, with juice groove and handle. So with juice groove came out to 3,000 results. Let's see what the handle shows. You see, it goes more and more down. If I take that hand, and now what it's doing is it's reversing the keyword. Just reversing the keyword the way it was over here was with juice groove and handle. Is showing with handle and juice groove, and is going to play around with it. Okay, so very, very important. Now, if you target low search volume keywords, the conversion is much faster because there's no competition. You can always land on, most of the time you can land on the first page. It doesn't have to be that high search volume keywords are the most profitable. It is a wrong judgment. Low search volume gets more extracted keywords, more long tail phrase keywords, means more main keywords involved. It starts to multiply really, really fast. And before you know it, you're probably ranking for, very good keywords, page 1, rank 1, however you want to put it, but you are there. Start with low search volume, medium search volume keywords, and work it out through there. Okay, so I hope you understand, and looking I'm really looking forward for a lot of questions, especially with keyword research. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.